Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi AFIF from 5 Bestari. Today I would like to talk about the working principle of an hot air balloon based on the Archimedes principle. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first question will be, how do hot air balloons work in theory? Well, hot air balloons work on a simple principle. Hot air rises while cold air sinks. This means the balloons fly because the hot air inside it, which is inside the envelope, weighs less than the air on the outside, thus causing it to float upwards. Generally speaking, the hot air balloon will float if the density of the air in the balloon is less than the density of the surrounding area and vice versa. In other words, it is lighter than the surrounding area. Now, I want to talk about the essential components of a hot air balloon. A hot air balloon must have these three important components. The first one is the envelope. The envelope is this big cloth thingy that you can see on top of the hot air balloon. It is usually made out of a strong, light and durable syntactic fabric, such as nylon. The second part is the basket. The basket is important for a hot air balloon as it allows the hot air balloon to carry its passengers and cargo, such as the propane gas tank. It is usually made out of wicker, which acts as an excellent shock absorber during landing. The third important component is the burner. The burner fills the envelope with hot air from the gas jets. The gas jets is fueled by propane gas tanks, which is stored in the basket. Now, for the most important question. How does a hot air balloon go up? Well, the answer is very simple. When the air in the hot air balloon is heated, the density of hot air is less than the density of cold air. It displaces a large volume of air in the balloon. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of surrounding air. Thus, the hot air balloon will rise upwards when the buoyant force is greater than the weight of hot air plus the weight of airship fabric plus weight of gondola, which is the basket, and the weight of the passengers. The second question will be, how does a hot air balloon remain stationary? Well, the balloon will remain stationary when upthrust force is equal with the weight of the hot air in the balloon plus the weight of the airship fabric, which is the envelope, plus the weight of the gondola, which is the basket, plus the weight of the passengers. Finally, how does a hot air balloon descend? The balloon will descend when the buoyant force is smaller than the weight of the hot air in the balloon, plus the weight of the airship fabric, plus the weight of the gondola again, which is the basket, plus the weight of the passengers. That is all from me. Thank you.